Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Coral questions look brutal, but this one breaks quickly if you track what heat does to symbionts, energy output, and why prolonged exposure changes the. Figure 2 shows adult corals at elevated temperature have lower symbiont density and lower photosynthetic yield. So right away, the algae are fewer and producing less energy overall. The passage says high temperature stresses the symbiotic algae, causing DMSP production at first, but if heat stays too high, corals expel those algae instead of keeping them. Since the symbionts are the source of photosynthetic energy, expelling them means adult corals get less energy during extended heat exposure, which matches option C. Well done. Option C. Scan now. Trap, avoid rushing past trend signs. Rule, trust the given data and check each step before choosing.